Hi everyone, welcome back, and this is the second video in Tkinter where we are going to learn about widget. If you see Tkinter, we create the main window. Within the main window we have different widget. So let's see this image here. So we have root window. Within root window we have label, entry, frame, button. Within frame I can have label, again button here. So this is the way how we create or arrange the different things in Tkinter. So this line you have already seen in previous video. Now let's import theme Tkinter from Tkinter. Now using this theme Tkinter we are going to create different widgets. So I'm going to create one button here, and from theme Tkinter button, and in this button we are wanted to add to the main window, that is root, and text will be click here. Now if I will run this code, or before that we have to pack it so that it will get added to the screen, and then let's run it. And here you can see we are getting one button called click here. This one you can see. But if I'll click on this, nothing happening because we have not added any action to this particular button. So let's define one function so that it can say hi. So this particular function will be of label, which will add one text to the window saying hi. So whenever I will click this button, I want to call this particular function. So let me call it from here, command, and I will attach this particular function here. Now, or before that, I need to add pack here, otherwise it will not show anything. So now let's run it, and if I'll click on this, you can see I'm getting one message like hi. So thanks for watching.